For this gift bag, you are going to need two pieces that measure 12 by 12, and I have picked up this paper pattern with foiled details from the bag that I was using in the last video, and this is the cornflower cottage bag. So two of 12 by 12, to which you are going to score with the pattern paper in this direction, which moves from left to right or right to left. You do not want it to face in the portrait orientation, and with this orientation you are going to score it at 3 inches. You're going to do the same for both the sheets. All right, so that this is going to be the front and back of the gift bag. For the side and the top cover, so I took one 12 by 12 sheet, and if I place these all together like this, you can see that I got all these from one single sheet of 12 by 12. So you are going to cut two pieces of 4 by 12 inches. So these are going to become your side panels. One piece that measures 3 by 12 inches, and you're going to be left with 1 by 12 inches, which is going to then become the handle of your gift bag. So with the piece that measures 3 by 12 inches and is going to become the top flap of the gift bag, you're going to score it at 1 inches along the 3 inches side or the short side. All right, and then with the side panels, you're going to do the same with both the pieces. On the short side, which is the 4 inches side, you are going to score it at half an inch, at 3.5, and then you're going to rotate it in this way so that the 12 inches side is at the top. Then you're going to score it at 3 inches. Now I am making my gift bag fold flat. If you do not want to make it a fold flat gift bag, the next score line you do not want to make that, and that is at 4.5 inches. All right, you're going to miss this if you are not going to make this a fold flat gift bag. Then rotate it back and then score right in the middle of this, which is at 2 inches, down to the first score line that we have made over here. All right, from this point, now if I flip it over, you're going to make a score line from this point to this point, and from here to here. This is going to give your bag a pretty corner when we are going to fold the gift bag flat. So this is all the scoring that you need to do. I am quickly going to burnish all the score lines that I have made. Once you're done with burnishing all the score lines, you are going to take one side, whichever you want, because mine are both similar. So whichever you want to be the front of your gift bag. Oh, but before that we're going to do some cutting. I'm so sorry, I really forgot. So with this piece, which is one of the side panels, I am going to take a wedge off of this middle section, which is right here. Okay, this section I am going to take a little bit off of both the sides of this. All right, and then I'm going to take a little bit off from there as well. So now take your pieces and glue them onto this 3 inches section that we have just created. So I'm going to put glue over here. And once you're placing it, make sure that the score line on the side panel and the edge of this front or the back align with each other. I'm going to do the same with the other piece as well. Once both the pieces are stuck onto the base, what you can do is you can either bring this panel up and then join the sides, or you can join this other piece to this and then join the sides together. So this is more convenient for me to first make up the entire base and then join the sides. Now I'm going to stick the side panels together, and for this I'm going to put glue on this 1/2 inch tab. On the other side as well. Waited for the glue to dry, and now I'm going to pinch in these sides to give it the full flat shape. I think I forgot to make one score line over here, so I'm just going to naturally let it fold. I will be updating the edited score line in the description. You will see a bar at the bottom of it here when I'm doing the scoring, so make sure you follow those instructions for the full flat gift bag. Okay, so once this is all folded, it's going to look like this. Now this was our top flap, and this is the 1 inch tab on which I am going to put glue and then attach it to the back of the gift bag. Decide which side is going to be your front. Mine is obviously this, and I am going to put this thing, you're going to hold it together like this, and you're going to marry up the score line with the top of the bag like so. Once you have attached the back flap, you are going to take a ruler, and since this is 12 inches, just come 1 inches up right in the middle from the bottom of the flap and mark at 4 inches and 8 inches. I'm going to use this hole punch of mine because it just punches through all the layers at the same time. Once you've made the holes, you're going to feed the ribbon through these holes. I have this pretty yellow organza ribbon, and I'm just going to eyeball the length of it because I want to make a pretty bow with it. So I'm going to feed the ribbon through. This, and then with this 1 inch strip that we were just left with it, I am going to put glue on the bottom 1 inch section. So just roughly eyeball the 1 inch section like this, and then make sure that if your paper has white backside, so you are going to not put glue on that side. I'm going to put it like this, let it dry and get set, and then on the other bottom side do the same. Make sure that they are both equally spaced. I have taken these punch holes as the reference for my attachment of this handle. Okay, and on the back side it looks like this. Okay, so this is your pretty briefcase style gift bag. From the back it looks like this, and from the front it looks like this. You can obviously change the size and the colors according to your own choice. If you do not want to make it a full flat gift bag, that's totally upon you, and it will be a box style briefcase gift bag. I'll prepare a tutorial for that as well very soon. So I hope that you have liked today's video. If you want to see more such fun videos and tutorials, consider subscribing my channel if you haven't already, and give a thumbs up. It really means a lot and helps me bring you new tutorials all the time. So I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.